plastic injection molding machines. And we have machines that are small, like 40-ton machines, all the way up to machines that are 950 tons. What I think is cool about plastics manufacturing is that you're taking small plastic pellets and making it into a wide array of plastic parts. Anything from small little nylon seats all the way up to big baby bathtubs or sleds.
Miss Claire, what happens when an order comes in?
After I enter the order into the system, I do a job traveler and verify that all the materials are here and ready to go.
This is where a job traveler goes to next.
After the job traveler is filled and the mold is in place, George Co. Industries starts working on a possible soon-to-be trend. These jobs are incredibly fun to work at since you are always running machines that are cool to learn about. Just take it from him.
What made me get into manufacturing was when I was at Blessed Sacrament, I had a lot of things on my plate and a lot of choices I could have made. And I had a family member here and I had seen it before, and it's really fun and there's a lot of things to do and you're always doing something.
One of the products are Zigbee flyers, plastic discs that are fun to play with. They are made from little plastic pellets that are combined with red color beads and are melted at 400 degrees. After they are made, they are packed for the buyer. They are finally sold and the fun begins.